colors are there in our national flag?
3 colors.
Which are those?
Saffron, white, green.
In the middle?
Ashoka Chakra.
How many spokes are there in Ashoka Chakra?
24.
Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
National fruit?
Mango.
Flower?
Lotus.
National river?
River Ganga.
National anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
National heritage animal? Elephant.
Elephant.
National tree?
Banana tree.
National sweet?
Jalebi.
National reptile?
King Cobra.
National motto?
Satyameva Jayate.
Meva Jayate.
Meva Jayate.
Very good.